chickens in Canada.
Awesome! That is dumb.
Ladies,
Wild
stop your fighting!
Wild prairie chicken that's almost gone extinct. Ha!
Sooty grouse.
Your face is chicken.
Hey, do you want to
In your face.
Do you want to know something? I've seen a walking
The common
tree.
wild chicken.
I've seen a walking tree. I've seen a
Northern Parola.
walking tree. Walking tree. I saw a walking tree. There's actually
that lives inside a stump.
lesser black bat. There's actually three.
Guess what? There's a
girls.
Northern King.
Black skimmer.
The rare ex-black skimmers from Norway.
I do not know why, but they're interrupting.
And what's that?
Out of my league.
Wood stork.
5 storks. I said 5 wood storks.
I said a whole colony.
I said 3 billion.
There aren't that many in the world.
Unless they had babies.
Creeping me out. Limpkin. Clapper rail.
Do you want to do something?
Virginia rail.
The rare and fancy prairie chicken that has a big butt.
American.
He's really funny.
German weasel birds.
Oh!
They look like weasels, although they're chickens.
Stellar State. American robin.
A cross of a stork and an ostrich.
Pigeon.
I saw Hawaiian
You
pigeon.
haven't had.
Sparrow.
You guys haven't
Russian
seen me being
reed
class
birds.
secretary.
They're black and ugly.
You guys haven't been class secretary, have you?
He's getting awesome. And he is winning by 5,000
I don't want
points.
anymore.
You only have 20 points. He
You're
has
stop
10,000 points. You
poetry,
have
noob.
You have 50 points. He has 2,000.
I love you,
But you
Lord.
only have 5,825 of them.
So yeah, I saw 5,000 billion chickens in one single car.
Wild turkeys.
I saw 100 wild turkeys.
Ladies, stop your fighting.
They had a crown feather that was gold.
I
And
know
the way
this.
they
I saw. Oh yeah.
At the
I saw
chicken-
California condor.
You're getting kicked.
I've seen a California
You're
condor.
not in this. You're not in this.
You're getting kicked.
Oh,